10 places where it's always spring. Imagine a place where the air is always fresh, flowers bloom year-round, and temperatures hover around a perfect, gentle warmth. No sweltering summers, no bitter winters, just an eternal spring that feels like a breath of fresh air every single day. It sounds almost too good to be true, but such places do exist, scattered around the globe. The secret behind these paradises lies in their unique geography, altitude, or climate patterns that create a kind of seasonal time capsule where spring never truly ends. Why does this matter? Because in a world of increasingly erratic weather and climate extremes, these springtime havens offer more than just pleasant temperatures. They offer a lifestyle, a mood, a way of being that countless people dream of. Today, we'll explore 10 incredible destinations where spring is forever in bloom, revealing their charm, challenges, and why they might just be your perfect escape from the chaos of changing seasons. Medellin, Colombia. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Medellin boasts an enviable climate that stays remarkably consistent throughout the year, with average temperatures hovering around 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This lush city, nestled in the Andes Mountains, offers more than just perfect weather. It's a cultural hotspot, brimming with vibrant neighborhoods, parks blooming with orchids, and friendly locals who celebrate life outdoors year-round. However, Medellin's mountainous terrain and rapid urban growth have posed challenges, including traffic congestion and occasional landslides during heavy rains. For visitors and residents alike, this means embracing a pace that balances urban energy with the calmness of nature. Canary Islands, Spain. Off the northwest coast of Africa, the Canary Islands enjoy a subtropical climate that keeps temperatures spring-like all year long, rarely dipping below 18 degrees Celsius or climbing above 24 degrees. This unique weather, combined with volcanic landscapes, sandy beaches, and lush forests, creates a diverse playground for nature lovers. Tenerife and Gran Canaria, the most famous islands, attract visitors seeking warmth without the oppressive heat of traditional summer destinations, but the Canaries aren't just about eternal spring sunshine. Their volcanic origins mean occasional seismic activity, reminding everyone that paradise can be a bit fiery beneath the surface. Plus, tourism pressure raises concerns about sustainability, making responsible travel essential. San Diego, Cal. If you've ever wondered where to find the quintessential American spring vibe year-round, look no further than San Diego. Known for its sunny beaches, mild winters, and blooming jacaranda trees, this Southern California city offers a climate so balanced it almost feels designed by Mother Nature herself. Average temperatures rarely stray from the 15 to 24 degrees Celsius range, making outdoor activities like surfing, hiking, and beachcombing a daily possibility. Yet San Diego's coastal location also means dealing with marine layer fogs in the mornings and occasional wildfire threats in the dry season, reminders that even spring perfection has its rough edges. Madeira, Portugal. This lush island in the Atlantic Ocean is often called the Island of Eternal Spring for good reason. Madeira's mild, humid climate supports spectacular flora and fauna, with wildflowers blooming in every season and landscapes so green they seem painted. The island's mountainous terrain and proximity to the ocean create a microclimate that avoids extremes, keeping temperatures steady between 16 and 22 degrees Celsius. But don't let its gentle weather fool you. Madeira is also known for dramatic cliffs, powerful ocean currents, and occasional heavy rains that can cause flash floods. Navigating its steep hiking trails rewards visitors with breathtaking views, but demands caution and physical readiness. Kunming, China. Often overshadowed by China's megacities, Kunming quietly holds the title of Spring City thanks to its consistent moderate temperatures and low rainfall. Situated on the Yunnan Plateau, it enjoys a dry, mild climate with average temperatures around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, creating perfect conditions for year-round gardening and outdoor markets, bursting with fresh produce and flowers. However, Kunming's rapid urbanization brings challenges including air pollution spikes and pressure on green spaces. Locals balance modernization with traditional lifestyles, often gathering in parks to enjoy the eternal spring weather through Tai Chi, tea ceremonies, and flower fest. Mendocino Coast, California, USA. Less talked about than San Diego, but no less remarkable, the Mendocino Coast in Northern California offers a unique, mild climate that keeps spring-like conditions nearly year-round. With cool ocean currents moderating temperatures between 12 and 20 degrees Celsius, this rugged coastline combines dramatic cliffs, redwood forests, and hidden coves to create an endlessly refreshing environment. While the foggy mornings and occasional rainstorms remind you this isn't your typical tropical spring, the region's quiet beauty and biodiversity make up for the occasional chill. The Mendocino coast's remote nature means fewer tourists, but also limited services, making it essential for visitors to come prepared. Cuernavaca, Mexico. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Cuernavaca enjoys a temperate climate year-round, with temperatures averaging between 18 and 28 degrees Celsius, making it a popular retreat for those seeking comfort and beauty without the extremes of Mexico's hotter regions. Its abundant gardens and historical haciendas create an atmosphere that feels like a permanent vacation. However, Cuernavaca faces challenges like urban sprawl, occasional droughts, and concerns over water supply that highlight the delicate balance required to maintain its spring-like conditions. Visitors can enjoy the city's colorful markets, cultural festivals, and tranquil parks, but should also be mindful of conservation efforts and local advisories during dry spells. La Paz, Mexico. On the shores of the Sea of Cortez, La Paz offers a mild, spring-like climate nearly all year, with average temperatures sitting comfortably between 20 and 28 degrees Celsius. This coastal city is famous for its tranquil beaches, clear waters, and vibrant marine life, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. But living in perpetual spring doesn't mean no challenges. La Paz can experience intense summer heat spikes and occasional droughts, plus the environmental impacts of tourism and fishing require ongoing management. Visitors are drawn to its peaceful vibe and stunning sunsets that make every evening feel like a springtime celebration. Quito, Ecuador. Perched high in the Andes at nearly 2,850 meters, Quito experiences what many call eternal spring thanks to its consistent mild temperatures, generally ranging between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius year-round. The city's unique altitude tempers the tropical equatorial sun, creating a climate that encourages lush gardens and vibrant street life. However, Quito's elevation can cause sudden temperature drops, especially at night, and air pollution is an ongoing concern. The city's cultural richness blends with its temperate climate to offer an experience that's both invigorating and comfortable, with spring blooms decorating parks and plazas throughout the year. Funchal, Madeira. Funchal, the capital of Madeira Island, shares the island's reputation as an eternal spring destination with its mild, subtropical climate averaging 17 to 22 degrees Celsius year-round. Known for its stunning botanical gardens, colorful markets, and dramatic ocean views, Funchal offers a lush, blooming environment all year long. Its location shields it from extreme weather, but makes it vulnerable to occasional heavy rains and strong winds during the winter months, requiring robust infrastructure and community preparedness. Imagine wandering through fragrant gardens, bursting with exotic blooms, or enjoying a leisurely stroll along the waterfront under a gentle sun that never overwhelms. The essence of eternal spring captured in a charming city. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible places where spring never fades, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What would your dream spring destination be? Your support helps us keep uncovering the world's most amazing climates and hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and here's to living in perpetual spring wherever you are.